Now we need to sync up your row on the progress page with your sheet on the spreadsheet itself and calculate your progress. Go back to the progress page. You might need to scroll through here. If there's lots and lots of students in this course, you can use these arrows to scroll back and forth between all the different sheet names on the bottom. You want to get back to the progress sheet. So return to that progress sheet and remember that you took over a row here. We now need to program the percentage here to be tracking the percentage from your actual sheet. Here's how we're going to do that. We need to do some code. Right now, the percentage calculator on your sheet says 0. Double click on that cell, and now I can see the text inside of that cell. So there's code hiding in that cell on the sheet. All that code is saying is the contents of this cell are equal to the placeholder class name, column A, row 2. We need to replace placeholder class name with the name that you actually put on your sheet. So my sheet is called Jaime Lee Pre-Cal S1, so that's what I'm going to put there. Over here where it says placeholder class name, don't erase the exclamation point, don't erase the equals, just erase everything in between. And we're going to type this exactly the same way you wrote it on your sheet. In my case, Jaime Lee Pre-Cal with capital C, capital S for S1, and your teacher will have named it, will have given you whatever name your class is in. When you've got the name of your sheet written exactly right there with an equals at the beginning and an exclamation point and then all the rest of that code, then you can hit enter or return on your keyboard and that finishes calculating. If you did it correctly, then this cell is now correctly pulling your percentage from your sheet. It says 10%. Let me go to my little Jaime Lee sheet. There we are. And that's where it's getting that 10% from, is right there. If you didn't do it correctly, then undo. Right up here, there's a undo, and it goes back to where it was, and then try it again. Double click, get the code, erase the default, make sure you don't erase the exclamation point of the equals, and put your actual name in there, Jaime Lee. So from now on, this percentage calculator is going to be correctly tracking your percentage. And every time you check off a box on your sheet, it's going to recalculate and it's going to change all the time. And you can see what your progress is through the course in comparison to everyone else. It's also going to automatically be changing your levels. When you get to 10%, you're probably not there yet, but when you do, it's going to change to level 1. When you get to 20%, it'll be level 2. All the way up to level 10, which means you are finished with the class when you achieve level 10. And so from now on, you're going to be setting a goal every day, and then you're going to be using your sheet to keep up with your progress, check off your progress, and it'll now calculate automatically to keep up with that progress over on this page. Pretty cool.